Welcome to MoneyVerse USA. The world is changing faster than ever before. Every second, algorithms trade billions, machines write code, and artificial intelligence makes decisions that used to belong to humans. But beneath this technological storm lies a simple truth. Money itself is evolving. Welcome to MoneyVerse USA, where smart finance meets the future. In today's video, we're diving deep into how AI is transforming the global economy, the future of work, and how you can build wealth in the new digital era before 2026. The rise of the AI economy. AI isn't coming. It's already here. From Wall Street to small-town businesses, artificial intelligence now drives the decisions that shape the economy. Every major company, Apple, Amazon, Google, Tesla, runs on data, and behind that data are algorithms designed to optimize profit and reduce human error. Think about it. Chatbots are replacing customer service agents. Trading bots are outperforming traditional investors. AI-driven advertising predicts what you'll buy before you even search for it. But the real question is, how does this affect your wallet? If you understand AI, you're not just watching the shift, you're part of it. Those who adapt early are already earning from automation, digital products, and database investments. The AI revolution isn't about machines replacing people. It's about people who use machines replacing those who don't. The new wealth builders. Let's talk about the new generation of wealth builders. Individuals leveraging AI tools to create multiple streams of income. In 2025 and beyond, you don't need $1 million to start investing. You need a smart system. Here's what the smartest people are doing right now. Using AI-powered trading apps to manage portfolios. Creating digital side hustles with AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Claude to write, design, and sell products. Building YouTube automation channels that use AI to script, narrate, and publish content. AI gives you leverage, and leverage builds wealth faster than time ever could. A recent report from Goldman Sachs estimates that AI could add $7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. The people who benefit most? Those who learn how to use these systems early. The shifting power of money. Money has always followed innovation. The steam engine made factory owners rich. The internet made tech founders billionaires. And now, AI will create a new wave of wealth, but not in the same way. The difference is speed. In the past, revolutions took decades. Now they happen in months. We're watching the rise of AI-generated currencies, smart investment bots, and digital assets that evolve in real time. Even the US dollar, once the king of global trade, is under pressure as nations test AI-backed financial systems and blockchain-based settlements. The question is no longer, will AI change money? It's, how fast will it replace the old system? The dark side of AI wealth. But let's be clear, not everyone wins. As AI grows, so does inequality. The gap between those who use AI and those who don't is already visible. Workers replaced by automation face unemployment, while AI-trained entrepreneurs generate wealth from data. This shift mirrors history, like the Industrial Revolution, but faster and deeper. Financial literacy is no longer optional, it's survival. In this world, understanding how to invest, save, and build digital income streams becomes your shield. If you ignore AI, you risk becoming financially invisible. That's why channels like MoneyVerse USA exist, to make sure regular people aren't left behind. The blueprint: how to use AI to build wealth. Here's your blueprint to start building wealth with AI before 2026. Automate your savings. Use AI-based apps like Clio, Plum, or Capital to track spending and invest automatically. Use AI for content creation. Create YouTube shorts, blog posts, or ebooks using ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy.ai. Trade smarter. AI bots can analyze market sentiment 24/7, something no human can do. Invest in AI companies. ETFs and stocks tied to AI innovation are the future S&P leaders. Learn, don't wait. The faster you understand how AI works, the faster you'll profit from it. The old world rewarded those who worked hard. The new world rewards those who work smart with AI. The future of the dollar. Remember when the US dollar symbolized power? That's changing. As AI reshapes economies, countries are testing digital currencies that reduce dependency on the dollar. China has the digital yuan, Europe is building the digital euro, and America is experimenting with the digital dollar, powered by AI systems that verify and move money instantly. In 2026, the world could be running on intelligent money, programmable, traceable, and smarter than ever before. But this also raises new challenges: privacy, control, and trust. Who owns your data when your money thinks for itself? The AI revolution is rewriting the rules of wealth, and it's happening now, not tomorrow. The question is, will you let it control your life, or will you use it to build your future? If you made it this far, you're already ahead of 90% of people. Because knowledge, not luck, creates financial freedom. This is MoneyVerse USA, helping you stay ready for the future of money. Let's build the next generation of wealth together. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share, comments. Hit the bell icon for more videos about finance and money tips.